1921 Morgan silver dollar. We're going to check them out. Okay, so I've got two examples of 1921 Morgan silver dollars here. The first one, I'm keeping them in the packets because I want to keep them in good condition. So if you get a bit of shine, then my apologies. I'll do the best I can to try and get the clarity that we need. So obviously it's 0.858 troy ounces of 909 fine silver with a uncirculated finish. And so as we say, it was designed by the chief engraver George T. Morgan, and he was 1845 to 1925. The coin was minted originally in 1878 to 1904, and then again in 21. And it's pretty cool. So in honor of the 100th anniversary of the last year of the Morgan dollar, the United States Mint actually done a 2021 one. So that's quite cool. And if you got one of those, good for you. But yeah, basically on the back you've got the eagle here with the reeds and everything. United States of America, $1, and God we trust. And on there we have a very nice Lady Liberty in profile with a cap, flora, and a crown with the words Liberty across the top. 13 stars as well here, and E pluribus unum, and the date of issuance. And we'll just jump back to the reverse again on this one. This one's actually a very fine example. This was just a normal example, that's why I'm not really showing it too much. This is just like a circulated one that's been bashed around a bit, but this is actually quite a very fine example. But yeah, basically if we go to the back, and I'll get you a good angle on that one. There we go. Excuse if I have some paint on my fingers, I was painting all last night. But yeah, there we go. Let's try and get a good example. I'm trying to get some good angle without too much refraction on the light here. There we go. That's perfect. Right. Okay, so the reverse depicts the eagle with the outstretched wings, as I said, clasping arrows and an olive branch. And there's also the wreath at the bottom. Inscription: United States of America, $1. And yeah, it's these are pretty iconic to collect. Lots of people do collect them. There's various ones. They were minted, I believe, in Philadelphia, San Francisco, and Denver. Now these are Philadelphia mint ones because the mint mark would be kind of in between the D and the O, and basically under the bottom of the wreath here. And it would be nothing for Philadelphia, he wouldn't have one, but for San Francisco's an S, and for Denver is a D, so you'll know. And I think there are some rare examples of this that you can find. However, you'd have to look that up because I don't have, these are not rare examples, but this one is a very fine example. I think this is actually out of my grandfather's collection, and all I know is that it was in the box with a bunch of other coins, and it's now been added to my collection. But this is a very fine example. This was in his very fine box, but for all I know, it could be proof because there were some proofs in there that were completely unlabeled. So I'm going through and I'm exploring these. But yeah, it's a really nice coin, and I'm keeping them in the capsules, obviously, to keep them in good condition. So obviously I'm not handling them much, but yeah, let's just have a quick look at this one. Obviously you can see the difference between the two. This one's a lot better than this one. And again, on the back you'll see the difference. A lot more clarity and colour on this one that has been not circulated or scratched in the slightest, and this one that has been battered, bruised, and is generally discoloured. So anyway, yeah, great coins, and they will be staying in the collection for sure.